Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to deploy a Django project on an Ubuntu server. Update your server by running sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Now install the required packages using the code shown on the screen. After that, install virtualenv with sudo pip reinstall virtualenv. Here, clone your Django project using git clone repository -url. Then create a virtual environment with virtualenv, venv, and activate it with source venv/bin/activate. Next, install project dependencies by running pip install -r-requirements.txt. Set up PostgreSQL for your database and update settings.py with your credentials. Here, run migrations with python manage.py migrate and collect static files with python manage.py collect static. Finally, configure Nginx and Gunicorn, then start Gunicorn using Gunicorn-workers3 your _project.wsgi application. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.